Feliz Día del Padre en quechua quiere decir Kusisca Punchay Tata. Kusisca Punchay Tata. Pakarin Tata Punchayninpi kusichisunchis. Pakarin Tata Punchayninpi kusichisunchis.
California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes